Welcome back, mathletes, to another episode of Math with Dr. Math. So today, we're going to talk about how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. All right. So the first question when you're in any math class is identify, well, what the heck is a rectangular prism, right? Because what you're going to see is you're going to see a lot of formulas just like all these. And this is where math gets confusing because sometimes we want to use some formula that doesn't match what it is we're talking about. So when we think about rectangular prisms, the best thing you got to do is imagine, well, what is a rectangular prism? So here's some ideas, some objects I should say, to help you visualize, well, which one of these is a rectangular prism. So when you think about rectangular prisms, here's what I want you to think about. Think about a house, cereal boxes, juice boxes, an aquarium, a swimming pool, a rectangular swimming pool, just to name a few. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea of which one of these objects we're actually looking at. So you could see, bingo, we're gonna look at this object right here. This is a rectangular prism. All right, so what we're gonna need is we're gonna need the length, we're gonna need the width, and we're gonna need the height, all right, of that rectangular prism, whatever it may be. All right, so let's go ahead and let's talk about this fish tank right here. All right, it had a fish, but we got hungry. All right, so this fish tank, what you're gonna see is this fish tank is that we have a height of 20 centimeters. All right, and we have a width of 10 centimeters. And we have the height, we have the width, now the length, let's say the length is also 20 centimeters. So let's write down those numbers. Our length, we said, is 20 centimeters. Our width, we said, is 10 centimeters. And our height is 20 centimeters. So according to this formula, when we're finding the volume, of this aquarium, of this rectangular prism, all we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply the length, the width, and the height. And the nice thing about this is that the order doesn't matter. I don't care what your mom said. All right, so the order doesn't matter. Because it's multiplication, we're allowed to move things all over the place. So that's the good news. All right, so let's go ahead and let's find the volume of this rectangular prism. So the volume, I take the 20, I take the 10, and I take the other 20, and they're all centimeters. So when we're finding the volume, whatever units you have, in this case, we have centimeters, right? We're multiplying them. So centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. We're multiplying those three units. So it's centimeters cubed, all right? Write that down, don't forget. And so now we go ahead and we multiply 20 times 10 times 2. Notice they have zeros. So I could just say 2 times 1, which is 2, times 2 is 4. And then I just count the total number of zeros I have. 1, 2, 3. So the total volume is 4,000 centimeters cubed of this fish tank. Ah, there we go. We found a new fish. So hopefully this makes sense. And again, we could only use this formula when we're talking about volumes of a rectangular prism. So maybe in the next video, we'll look at some different shapes. Let us know. Comment down below, tell a friend about our video, and we'll see you next time.